all, welcome back. My name is Rahul Kanyal and I'm going to take you to another session of PPC. Last time we have had a discussion that scheduling is a very important component of PPC. Alright, and we took some problems. Today also we are going to continue the problems and let's see where we go, alright, and where we reach. I'm going to try to cover as much as content here. And it's really good to see you here. All right, Shubham, Mia, yeah, hi, good evening to Shubham. How are you doing? Yes, how are you doing, Shubham? Okay, so last time we have had a discussion about this job and we saw that what is the meaning of processing time. We talked about the meaning of processing time, we talked about the meaning of due date, and we also saw that which one of these was more realistic. Not more, which one of these were realistic and which one was just a plan. Alright, yeah, Sunil Kumar, a very good evening to you. I welcome you to this session. Okay, I welcome you to this session. It should have been like that. Okay, good. So could you understand the concepts here? What is the meaning of processing time? What is the meaning of due date? As I keep on repeating that, if you want to hit any rank, your understanding has to be amazing. Okay, your understanding has to be impeccable. All right. Yes. So people out there, just type in I if if we can proceed. All right. You just need to type in I so that we proceed. This is the protocol that I'd like to follow, right? This is the protocol that enables me to have an interaction, all right? Chalo. So let's get started, all right? So can you please do it using earliest due date? EDD is nothing but earliest due date. That says, what it says is, pick up the job with least due date and pick it first or put it first. That's all. So which one of these has the least due date? Sunil Kumar. Okay, let's do this here, okay? If I have discussed this, let's do this here. All right? Yeah, so which one of these has the least due date? That is second. So second is going to be first in this list. All right? Yes, Sunil. So let's do this and let's see where we reach, okay? Alright, so first is going to be 2. This is going to be processing time. This is going to be flow time. This is going to be due date, alright? So first is going to be 2. So for 2, 8 and 10, I'm going to write them here, 8 and 10. What about second? Which one is the next one? So yes, exactly. So 2, 1 should come the next, okay? Yes, Kumar Mahesh has already told us 2, 1, 3, 4, all right? Yeah, good. Yeah, exactly, Shubham. 2 is the least, next one is 1. Okay, and then I'm going to write this 5 and 15 over here. Then what is next? Then it has to be 3. All right, this is 6, this is 20. Then 4 is 3 and 25. So what I have done is arrange these jobs in increasing order of due date. Is it good? Yes. Now flow time. Okay, flow time is nothing but 8 for this. 8 plus 5, all right, 13, and 13 plus 6, 19, 19 plus 3, 22. All right. Now this is called make span time. All right, that is called make span time. Yeah, Manvendra, it's good to see you. It's good to see you here. I hope you're having a good time out there. Okay, Manvendra Sharma, good. Make span time. All right, so can you please tell me how many jobs are late in this? Okay, we have discussed it, and again we are going to repeat it here. All right, so what do you think? How many jobs are going to be? How many jobs are going to be late here? Just tell me. So let's do this. Let's do this. Make span time means, Shubham, that after 22 hours, every one of these jobs is going to be finished. That's all. That is what is the meaning of make span time. All right. So I'm going to repeat it. After 22 hours, every job is going to be finished. That is what is the meaning of make span time. Okay. Yeah. So here we come. And we are going to write, okay, I'm going to write it here, right? Then I'm going to write lateness. So lateness is nothing but flow time minus due date. Now, out of these two, which one is realistic and which one is just, a dream or an illusion? Which one of these, flow time or due date, which one of them is realistic? Okay, Krishnaram says that only one job is going to be late. Okay, let's see that, Krishna, okay? Okay. One job or zero job? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so lateness is nothing but flow time minus due date. So this is going to be negative. So I'm going to write a 0 here. All right. So flow time, what it means is after 8 days it is coming. Okay. After 8 days, we are able to manufacture job number 2, but due date is 10. So it's not late, right? It's not late. So that's why whenever lateness comes out to be negative, lateness is given by flow time minus due date. Whenever it's negative, it means that job is early, not late. Okay, yes. So here also it's going to be this minus this, that is 0, this minus this. Obviously that wouldn't come 0, but lateness is 0, right? So this is also 0 and this is also 0. Good. Now can you please calculate, yeah, Shubham, exactly. So FT is realistic because FT is telling us that after 8 days, we are going to manufacture job number 2. That is what is in reality. Is that good? Yes, FT is realistic, all right. Due date is just a planner's last day, or an alternatively, I messed it up. 10 days means that the planner wants you to make the job after 10 days, okay, alternatively. Okay, chalo. Now, can you please tell me what is earliness in this? Okay, we talked about lateness last time, so can you please tell me what is earliness? Can you please find out what is earliness, all right? Now, how many jobs are early? Just tell this. How many jobs are early? If 0 jobs are not late, okay, it means that, nothing is late, right? So how many jobs are early? Just type in your answers, guys. Quickly, let's do this, okay? How many jobs are early? Sunil, yes, good. Nilesh, yes. Praveen, yes. Radhakrishnan, yes. So answer is obviously this is early, right? Because we are able to manufacture it in 8 days rather than 10 days, right? So all 4 are early, all right? Yes, exactly. So can you please tell me what is the value of earliness? This is similar to what you were calculating, the value of tardiness or lateness, okay? Yeah, Mohammed, please feel free to join. We always are late at some point of time. Don't worry about that. Okay. Chalo, join us. Okay. So can you please tell me what is the value of earliness? Okay, I'm getting that, all right. Earliness is 8. Okay, good. Let's see if it comes out to be 8, Radhakrishnan, okay? But it's good that at least you're trying, okay? Keep on trying, guys. All right, keep on trying. Don't think if your answer are correct or wrong. Just give your responses. Don't worry about your answers, okay? Yeah, so, okay, so earliness is 1 upon 4, he says. Now I'm going to write earliness over here because I'm feeling short of space, okay? So I'm going to just write earliness. Is it good? Now for the first job, the second job, how much is the earliness? Just think about it. How much early is the second job? Because it's not late. It is not late. So it has to be early, right? It might be early. It might be early is the correct statement. So yes, Nilesh says 2 days early, right? Yes, it is 2 days earlier. That is nothing but, you know, due date minus flow time. If you want to remember the formula, that is nothing but due date minus flow time. Okay, but it's good that if you understand it conceptually. Yeah, Mohammed tardiness is 0, yes? So here, how much job is early? This one is also 2, is it? This minus this one is early by 1 day, this one is early by 3 days. Now if you add these, what do you get? 8. Okay, not days, so we are talking about minutes, so whatever that is, okay, just take care of the units, guys, okay? Yes, we are talking in terms of minutes, so earliness equals to 8 minutes. Earliness equals to 8 minutes. Now average earliness, if we talk about, what should that be? Just type in your answer, guys, okay? How much should be average earliness? Is it going to be 2? Is it going to be 8 upon 3? Is it going to be 3.25? Naveen says 2, Nilesh says 2, alright, Krishna says 8. Okay, good. Krishna has been a really, you know, consistent player in this, and it's good. Even Muhammad as well. So yes, obviously average is going to be 8 upon 4, 5, 4, because there are 4 jobs over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's why. So you know how much that is 2. Is it good? Yeah, exactly. So these kind of questions, sometimes they come, but we should also understand what everything means over here. All right, that's more important. All right, that's very much important if you have to crack a very big rank, guys. Otherwise, you know, just solving questions is not going to serve us. I keep on repeating it. I hope you get that. Is it good? Yes? Now I'm going to give you one more problem, similarly like this. Okay, let's say that I'm going to cut all of these, and due date I'm going to just say 5, 8, 6, 3. Okay, now you have to do what you have to do. You have to use FIFO, first in, first out, all right, to sequence this. Can you do that? Let's do that, all right? Yeah, Krishna, is good. It's good that you're getting 2, all right? So I've just cut this. I've modified this question like this. So can you please sequence it using first in, first out? That means that the first job that we're going to take it is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then processing time, right? And due date, I'm going to write something like this. Okay, and I'm going to rub this FIFO and write it over here. FIFO. Alright, so processing time is 5, this is also 5, this is 8, this is also 8, this is 6, this is also 6, this is 3, this is also 3. So can you please schedule it? Because we know how do we schedule it, right? Flow time is nothing but accumulation of processing time. So those who were with me in the last session, okay, then yes, last session will know what we are talking about here, all right? If you are not knowing this, just stay tuned. I will solve it for you. Don't worry about that, all right? 4132, 4132. No, we are talking about first in, first out, Nilesh, all right? First in, first out. So whosoever comes first is taken for a service. This is what it means, or taken for processing. Okay? Yeah, Mohammed has already done that. Now I'm looking for more answers, guys. Okay. Yes, so he has completed it. So can you please sequence this? Yeah, Shubham. So it has to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. First in, first out. Assuming that, yeah, they come in this sequence. Firstly, first one comes up, then second, then third, then fourth. That's what we are talking about. Okay. Yeah. So. Okay, 5, 13, 19, 22. What is that, Krishna? Acha, flow time. Okay, so I'm going to do it for you. So first thing is going to be 5. This one, the same as here. 5 plus 8, that is going to be 13. 13 plus 6, that is going to be 19. 19 plus 3, that is going to be 22. Remember that make spend time is always going to be the same. Is it good? Yeah, exactly. So if you see that, you know, it's always going to be the same, all right, 22, no matter what you use, because it is nothing but you're just trying to add all of them, right? So it will always be the same. Okay, yeah. Palikuri Ganesh, we welcome you to this channel. If you are new, just tune it to us, all right? See, now I'm going to write lateness. Now just tell me how many jobs are late. How many jobs are late, guys? Can you please tell me? Sunil Kumar says, okay, I'm not going to tell what Sunil Kumar is telling, but yes, I think he is right. Whatever answer he gave us. Okay, now, yeah. So how many jobs are late? Adarsh Nair are 2, 3, 4 are late, and yes, lateness for this is 5 minus 5, that is 0, right? 30 minus 8, that is 5. Yes, 19 minus 6, that is 13. 22 minus 3, that is 19, right? Is it good? Is it good? Yes? Yeah. So how many jobs are late? Obviously lateness, we are getting a positive value of lateness over here. So obviously these 3 jobs are late. How many jobs are early? How many jobs are early? Just type in, okay? Yes, Shubham, you are right. 3 jobs are late, and it's second, third, and fourth are late. Yes. Yeah, tardiness is also called lateness, okay, Surendra? Now, how many jobs are early? Just tell me that. How many jobs are early? Yeah, Surendra, okay. Tardiness and lateness are both same, all right. Those are actually same. What is no, Krishna? Okay, early nothing. 0 are early. Exactly. So obviously. So early means that, you know, let's say it would have been, let's say due date is 20, all right, flow time is 13. So what it means is actually you're making it after 13 days, but the planner says that give it to me after 20 days. So in that case, yes, it would have been, early by 7 days. I hope that is clear, right? So yes, 0 jobs are early. 0 jobs are early. This is it good? Yeah. Is it good? So what about this job, the number 1 job? What about this job? The number 1 job. Do you have any comments on that? What is that job? On the, okay, Sunil Kumar, okay. Okay, fine. Exactly, yes. Praveen, it's not correct job actually. Correct job is all about, you're fulfilling all the requirements of quality. That's called a correct job. Okay, so that statement is not very, very correct. Yeah, exactly. That this job is on time, or you can also call it just on time. This is just on time. That means that it is neither early nor late. Is it good? Yes, exactly. Job 1 has completed the work in required time. That is also correct, Mohammed. Yeah, good. Hello, Parmeshwar. Okay. How are you? Parmeshwar, I'm talking to you. Okay. Big I. All right. Yes, Praveen. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so okay, fine. So now what you need to do is just process this thing, the whole thing, using shortest processing time. Can you do that? Okay, similar to whatever we have done. Can you please sequence this according to shortest processing time, and just tell me how many average jobs are late? Okay. So can you please do this? You have 5 minutes, guys. Okay, let's do this. Shortest processing time. Chalo, let's do this. Yeah, so Shubham, you are right. Krishna, you are also right. Mohammed, yeah, same only. So this is 5, this is 8, this is 6, and this is 3. Let's do this. Okay, 4, 1, 3, 2. So can you please, Raju, just try to find out how many average jobs are tardy, all right? Raju says that it's going to be 4. Actually, let me tell you what it should be. 4, 1, 3, 2, right? Yes, so Raju is right. So is me, right? Yeah. 4, 1, 3, 2, right? Yes. So I'm going to write 4, 1, 3, 2, and processing time, due date, and this is going to be flow time, right? Oh. So first comes 4, so I'm going to write 3 and 3 over here, all right? And then next comes 1, so it's going to be 5 and 5. Third one is 6 and 6. Second one is 8 and 8. Is that good? Yes. So Krishna Ram says that 3 upon 4. Nilesh says that 1 job. Okay, good. So you guys are getting this, okay? Earliness equals to 0. That's what he says. All right, so flow time quickly. Let's do this. So it's going to be 3. This 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 6 equals to 14. All right, 14 plus 8 equals to 22. Is that good? Now here I'm going to write lateness or tardiness. Both are same. So lateness I'm going to write 0. Lateness I'm going to write 3. 8 minus 5. Okay, 14 minus 6, that's 8. Is that good? Yes. And this is going to be 14. 22 minus 8. Is it good? Yes. Yeah, so these 3 jobs are late. So average number of jobs, that are late equals to 3 upon 4. Is it good? And just tell me average flow time. How much should be average? Firstly, tell me what is total flow time. You just need to add all of them. Just tell me what is total flow time. So I'm going to write here, okay, when you're going to add each one of them. All right, yeah. So what is average or total flow time? Okay, yeah, good Shubham. So lateness, when you're saying lateness, it has to be how much? 25. Yes, so 25. So 47, Mohammed says 47 is total flow time. Okay, so flow time, he says it's 47. You just need to add them. So average flow time is going to be 47 upon 4. Is it good? Yeah, exactly. So yeah, 47.4, that is 11.75. All right, guys, chalo. Now I'm going to ask you a question. All right, okay, you have done everything, you can do that, anyone can do this. Okay, now just tell me what is average time that one job spends in this system. Now please just look at this question, just think about it. All right, so what is the average time that one job spends at the system? How much? No, Mohammed, we are talking about time, okay? We are not talking about average jobs. We are talking about time, all right? As average flow time. Okay. Because we have had a discussion what flow time is in the previous lecture or session, all right? So yes, so as people are saying, it is the same, okay? Average flow time is same as average number of hours one job spends in the system. Yes, Krishna, you're right. Okay, good. Is that good? Yes. Is that good? Yes. Hello. Okay, fine. Good. Now, can you please sequence the same problem using earliest due date? Okay, can you please sequence the same job using earliest due date? And you know what? Obviously, you can calculate everything. Just have a comparison between SPT and earliest due date, all right? So can you please do that? So that you can just compare both of them, all right? So just do this. Shortest processing time, you have 5 minutes for that. Sunil Kumar says that 4, 1, okay, 4, 1, 4132. Yeah, it should be 4132. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to write earliest due date. Okay, so that's going to be 4. So again, same things. I'm going to cut them and try to modify it a bit, right? So it's going to be 4 because this one is the least. Okay, so okay, I'm going to use the space over here. I flow. Okay, processing time. This is due date, and this is flow time. All right. So first one is 4 because this is the least. Next one is 1. For this we have 3 3. For 1 we have 5 5. Then we have 3. Right, that is 6 6. Then we have 2 again. Okay, 8 and 8. Is it good? Yes. So yeah, so can we have a discussion about it so that you need not cram, okay, all the time. You need not remember these things. So what you can do is, if any problem comes up, like for example, average tardiness of SPT is lesser than EDD, is that correct? All right, so you just, you just need to frame a question like this. Okay, do quick calculations like this and proceed. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to tell you. That's an approach that I'm throwing at you. Okay, yes, fine. So flow time for this is 3 plus 5, 8 plus 6, 14. All right, and 14 plus 8 is going to be 22. Is it the same as that? 3 8 14 22. 3 8 14 22. Yeah, it is the same as that because everything here is same. All right, so obviously due date, EDD and SPT are going to give you same results. All right, now I just want you to go home, okay, and change few numbers from here just to make it more interesting. All right, okay, just change these numbers, tweak these numbers, and try to find out yourself the difference between EDD and SPT. Can you do that? Can you do that? Average flow time EDD greater than average flow time of SPT. So what does that mean, Mohammed? What does that mean? Average flow time, he says average flow time EDD greater than average flow time SPT. Let's say that, okay, he's correct. So what is the meaning of that? See, I want you to think, all right? Don't cram things. I hope you're getting what I'm trying to tell you, okay? Yes, you can solve questions and all, but we are talking about a level more than solving questions here. Is that good? So just tweak these numbers. Let's say just do 9, or don't say that both of them are same. Let's say this is 10 and this is 2. Now let's see what happens, all right? So just go back home and see it yourself, how much difference does it give between EDD and SPT. Then yes, obviously, you can tell, okay, shortest processing time. Okay, yes, due date is negative. Then there's possibility getting answer. Due date cannot be negative, all right? Shrirendra, if it's assumed that, we are starting time from now, due date cannot be negative with this assumption, obviously. Okay, and with this belief, obviously, because we are talking about, let's say, after 5 days, we are going to get this job 1. After 9 days, we are going to get this job 2, right? So there's no point in a negative time. All right? Is it good? Is it good? Is it good? Yes? If, let's say, let's take this scenario, okay? What he's saying is, okay, let's say that if this happens, he's saying that, let's say if this is happening, due date minus 15. So can you please tell me what is the meaning of this? What might be the meaning of this? Obviously, but here in this model, we are just assuming that we are starting from today. And let's say such kind of question comes up in GATE. Then what? The only problem is that people are just trying to solve questions, and that is not going to take you up, all right? I can write it somewhere. So what is the meaning of this minus 15? Can you think of something? Delay of 15 days. Naveen says delay of 15 days. Delay of 15 days. Due date has already finished. Yes, exactly. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes. So if something like this comes up, obviously it means it's already late by 15 days. Already there's a late of 15 days. That is what is the meaning of this, all right? Yes, but yes, in this model we assume that we are starting today. That's what is the meaning of a positive due date or a positive processing time, all right? Yes, so day is not, okay, I keep on telling you days, okay, it's actually in minutes. So, yeah. ठीक है. Is it good? Yes. Yeah, Naveen, so you're right, okay? ठीक है. Okay, fine. So, this is all from here. And you can go back and just look at, how much difference does it give, EDD versus shortest processing time. And what you will realize it is shortest processing time minimizes inventory. So I'm going to tell that, okay, this is something with SPT, that it minimizes inventory. Now, can you please think of a parameter over here? Okay, all these parameters. Can you think of one parameter that determines if a sequencing or a scheduling scheme is minimizing inventory? Are you getting that? Can you please tell me one parameter from whatever we have calculated that can tell us that, a scheme is minimizing inventory? What would that parameter be? And why? Can you please tell me? And we are not just doing questions here, guys, okay? We are thinking, all right? And that is what is making us better, day by day, minute by minute, second by second. So can you please think about something that people are saying tardiness, okay? Tardiness is how much late it is. So lesser the tardiness. Yeah, exactly. What about tardiness? Yeah, Krishna says flow time, Naveen also says flow time, lesser flow time. Yes, you're right. So I think you should say average flow time, all right? Even flow time will also give you, exactly. So nothing, don't bother about average. Yeah. So a lesser flow time will give you more inventory or lesser inventory. Lesser flow time will give you more inventory or less inventory. Inventory means, see, let me tell you what is the meaning of inventory. Anything that you store, anything that you cannot use is an inventory, okay? Yes, exactly. So if it has a lesser flow time, it means that the time in the system is less, all right? So that means that all the jobs in the system, or not the job, the times in the system are very less. So what it means is that obviously the inventory has to be less, all right? So yes. So probably there can be so many inventories out there, okay? Raw material, finished product, and work in progress. Is that good? Yes, so good. So you know, these kind of things you should think about, all right? Then only we can expect a good rank. Less flow time, yes, Mohammed, good, all right? Less flow time and less inventory. Okay, now please confirm. Can you please do this question? Let's say I have tweaked these numbers, all right? I'm going to also change this. Let's move back to this. And can you please check if shortest processing time is giving you least flow time? Can you do that? Can you please do that? Okay. So I'm going to wait. I'm not going to write it here for you because I'm not going to spoon feed you, right? So please do this. Do this according to shortest processing time. Actually, we have done that, right? No, we started with EDD. Yes? Yes, we have already done it using EDD. Okay? Okay. And can you please do this? Yeah, Shubham, inventory means that, you know, for example, anything, any stage of production that is in. For example, a raw material comes in, okay, that has an inventory. Means anything that we are not able to use as a final product. For example, this pen, this marker I'm going to use as a final product, all right? Yes? Yes, so this is not inventory, this is a product. All right, Shubham. And if you store this somewhere else, let's say in a go down, that I'm not able to use this, that's called an inventory, okay? I hope, yeah, Praveen, so can you please compare this thing, total flow time of earliest due date and total flow time of shortest processing time? At least at max, they might be equal, all right? At max, they might be equal, okay? Yeah. Yeah, so Naveen says it's 47 EDD, so you just need to add all of them in EDD. And how much are you getting in shortest processing time? Shortest processing time also 47. Is that it? Average flow time is same. This is what Mohammed tells us, and I'm going to believe in that because Mohammed is very accurate. SPT also 47, and EDD also 47. Is it 47? Okay, Naveen. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So this is for EDD, all right? So EDD, how much you are getting? If you add all of them, how much are you getting? Is it 62? If you add them, yeah. Are you getting 62? Yes. So you are getting 62 for EDD, and for SPT, people are telling that you are getting this as how much? 57, people are saying. 57, 47. 47. There are two 47, so I'm going to believe in them. So 47, anyways, whatever you take, 47 or 60, 57, that is obviously lesser than EDD, all right? Yes. Okay, it's fine, Mohammed. It's fine. We all make mistakes. All right. Now, what did you learn from this? Okay, why we did this? That's important. Then why did we learn, or why did we do something like this? Why did we say that, okay, SPT, let's calculate flow time for SPT and EDD, and what? Just type in, guys, what did you learn through this, okay? Because if you're not learning, this is a waste. So what did you learn? Which is best method, Sunil Kumar says. Okay. Okay. So what do you learn? Just type in, guys. Don't think if you're right or wrong, if you're stupid or brilliant, just don't. Okay, no one's stupid. SPT always has less inventory. Okay, Naveen, I'll take that because we proved it. All right. What else, guys? Pentakota. I think I'm pronunciating your name correctly. A very, very big hi to you. All right. Others, can you please comment? FT for EDD is greater than SPT. Just don't cram it, okay? I want you to not remember this. I want you to understand this, okay? So if something like this would come in a competitive exam, let's say it comes in GATE, okay? And it says that which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? Okay, number one is SPT minimizes inventory. Okay, and there might be other options. Fourth will be none of the above. None of the above. So I was telling you, how do you approach such kind of question given that you don't know that SPT minimizes inventory? So what I told you is, you just need to imagine a situation like this. Okay, just imagine there are 4 jobs, processing time like this, due date like this, and calculate or use EDD, SPT, first in first out, last in first out. All right. So yes, that's the way to approach this problem. Given that you don't know that yes, this is correct. I hope I'm giving you a context. Are you understanding what I want to tell you? What time the job has spent for doing the work? No, actually, Mohammed, okay, this is my purpose, all right? Minimum time the job has spent for doing the work. Actually, my intention was this, Mohammed, all right? Okay, if such a question comes up, you just assume things like this, any dates, all right? And you prove that, yes, SPT minimizes inventory. That's how you approach a problem. Is it good, guys? Type in I or an I. Yes, almost every one of you were correct, but as I keep on telling you, we need to understand. Without understanding, there's no chance. Is it good? Just type in I or an I, and I'm going to terminate the session, and I'm going to catch you again tomorrow with more interesting discussions. I hope I give you context to think, all right? So unless you think, it becomes difficult to crack anything. Is it good? Yes, Shubham, very good. Praveen, Mohammed, it's good to see you, all right? Kisna is missing here. Naveen, Jay Prakash, please tune tomorrow, all right? And just, think or come to this level of understanding, all right? Then only things might happen to your life. Okay, then we have Vision 2021. Batch 2 has already, people are getting registered for that, and you can check it out, all right? Batch 1 is already going on. 2, I think, yes, 2 of the subjects are already completed. Okay, and yes, we also have discounts and all. You can call at this number and drop an email, okay? And I believe that we might be able to help you to think, all right? Unless you think, it's not going to happen. Okay, then I'm going to see you tomorrow again. Stay tuned, be happy, be blessed by the divine, keep on smiling, guys. Okay, yeah, Kisna, good to see you here. You have been a very regular customer. Okay, then come back tomorrow and we'll have more discussions about things here, all right? And thank you very much. Good.